Today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 for you right here. We've just received our review unit and I'm going to open it up right now and take a look at what's inside the box. Now the first thing you will notice is of course the charging case, and the earphones are in it of course, but I'm going to open that up just a little bit later. Let me just get the plastic out of the way for now. If you take a look, it's a nice capsule shaped charging case. Moving on, I'll take a look inside the box now. And the first thing you'll notice is the charging cable and the replaceable ear tips. Now let me just open this up. There are two pairs of silicone ear tips inside of different sizes. There is of course one pair attached to the earpieces themselves, but these are just additional in case you need to change the size. And like you saw earlier, there is the charging cable of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. This is a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. As you can see, there are also some documents inside the box. These are just basic user manuals and other literature of sorts. Nothing much that you will need to pay attention to. Now getting back to the earphones themselves, as you can see, the charging case is a capsule-like thing, and opening it up, you'll see the earpieces right inside. At the back, there is the USB Type-C charging port and the pairing button. The earpieces look very similar to that of the OnePlus Nord Buds, the original ones. They have a proper in-ear fit as well, so you can use that for a comfortable and secure fit, which also has good noise isolation. That was our unboxing of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2. Now we will of course be carrying out a full-fledged review as well, so stay tuned to gadgets360.com for that.